What's up guys, Tim Queen here, and today's question is, can you schedule posts on LinkedIn? And the answer is yes and no. There are three content types that you can share on LinkedIn. The first one is a text-only post, photo post, and a post with an external link attached to. Those three content types can be shared via an external social media scheduling tool such as SocialBee. I put the link down in the comments below if you want to check this out. Now this is a great way if you want to schedule your content and you're only relying on those three content types. If you have a different content types, for example, you want to share documents or you want to share videos or events, you can't use the scheduling software. You have to log in on LinkedIn on that specific time and specific day and just publish it naturally, because there is no API yet. And also usually what happens, most social media scheduling tools only support either text only, photo posts and video posts. So having like a feature to embed a document is really a bit of a stretch. Might take them like a couple of years till they change their API and make this like special case work for LinkedIn. So what you can do instead is you just schedule everything that you can on those apps. And for the content pieces, when you have like, for example, a PDF document that you want to share or PowerPoint document or a video, then you just have to schedule this in your calendar, or you have to get yourself a personal assistant who can just post this at the same time for you. Now, if you want to learn more about how to use LinkedIn to generate leads for your business, check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. I put the link down in the first pinned comment below. And if you want to get more videos about LinkedIn marketing and business strategies that work, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.